Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're actually going to take Morphe, oh boy, and create a look. If you guys like to see how I accomplish this look, stay tuned. First thing I'm going to do is take my pomade dip brow. It's a dip brow pomade, sorry, from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm actually taking a number 14 brush. I actually broke my spoolie off, so yeah, don't mind that. And I'm just going in and just doing my brows. I like to always follow my arch, whatever arch I do have, and go from there. This is a color Ebony, by the way. So next thing I'm going to do is take my small Wet n Wild brush and use my concealer. This is the Born This Way concealer. I believe it's the shade Mocha. Let's get into this palette. So this palette's a lot of neutral colors. Honestly, I really do like it. I don't really like to do shimmers. I really prefer to stay with matte, so that's what I'm doing with this palette, and that's why I love it. Just taking that color right there and just popping that in my crease, just under my eyebrow in general. I took a small crease brush and I was applying that color into my outer corners, but then when I flipped the brush, it actually started behaving as a blending brush of some sort. So I just did that on both eyes, popping the crease. One thing I do like about this old boy palette is that, like I said, it's neutral, it's matte, it's simple. So I'm taking that color right there and just applying it on a small, very small blending brush and just taking it to my outer corners. Now I didn't want to go for a full cut crease. I just wanted to actually just lay some foundation down so when I apply my next shade, it would actually show. I really try to stay away from the reds, the pinks, shadows, lip glosses, everything. But I decided to, step out my comfort zone and do that for you guys today. Alright guys, so we're going with the last color. I'm taking a small, very small crease brush, the same one I had earlier. Just applying that brown to the outer corner just to blend in those two colors really well. So the liner I'm taking today is the NYX Epic Matte Black Liquid Liner. And guys, I really did try on camera, but I had to go off camera to just finish this whole look because it was giving me sis, you know what you're doing vibes, which I don't, but I improved over the years, so I kind of do. Going in, laying down foundation. What to make without foundation? So this is the Born This Way foundation, the color Chestnut, and I feel like it matches my skin very well. In the end, it'll look kind of ashy because of the setting powder, but we went through that already, guys. And I'm just using that Born This Way concealer in the color Mocha, laying that down, of course. I would say my favorite part about doing makeup is contouring my face. So this that I'm using today is ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick, and I think I'm using the color 197. It's like the best feeling ever to contour my face, especially after, just to bring some color back to my face, honestly. So I'm going to laying down my setting powder, and guys, this is like a banana color to you. Just let me know. This is the Laura Mercier setting powder that I bought. Kind of expensive, 30 bucks for it, and it just looks white. And blend it all out with my white 7 brush. Now, honestly, when I did this off camera, I didn't film it. I like to go back in with whatever's on my contour brush and sculpt my face again just to bring some color back to my face. Because if not, that flashback is going to be real. It's going to be bad. Taking the highlighter, Yas from Artist Couture, and I'm just applying that. It's like my favorite highlighter right now. And then I'm going to take this nude pink lipstick. I believe this is from L'Oreal. And just line up with the brown pencil really, it's like one of my best. I will do a video on that. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much the final look after I use my setting spray. So thank you guys for staying tuned and hearing me ramble. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.